One rainy afternoon, Hello Kitty saw the raindrops falling and thought,
Ooh, jumping in puddles sounds like so much fun.
Hello, Kitty. Where's your jacket? You'll catch a cold.
Oh, I'll be fine. It's just a little rain. Achoo. Uh-oh, my head feels hot.
See, Kitty, you need to stay warm in the rain.
Rest up and you'll be playing again soon.
Thank you for taking care of me. Next time, I'll wear my raincoat.
playing is fun, but taking care of yourself is important too. True friends always look out for each other.